It's the grand scheme of crypto. First off, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Everything is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Peace, everybody. First off, I just want to ask everybody out there, did you or should you or did you sell your crypto? Did you panic sell? What did you do when the dip happened? Are you crying right now? I want to know. But yeah, peace everybody, man. Just wanted to come and just make a quick video that's not really concerning any specific token or topic, and just kind of cover what I think the current market sentiment is, what I think about the market, and just ask the question of, did you sell, or do you think you should sell, or are you thinking about selling? You know, leave the comments below and let's have a conversation. But as you can see, Bitcoin is sitting at $49,000 right now. According to this right here, this 7-day prediction, and I'm not going to get into what this is based on, but this is this is the current price predictions for the next 7 days for Bitcoin. So as you can see, this says that Bitcoin might be heading to 40,000. So, I mean, that's for me is smells like opportunity. You know what I'm saying? And for me, I'm not really into many of these like smaller coins. I kind of took I kind of had a gut feeling of just before this dip and the last one that maybe I should kind of take some profits, and that's what I did. And I kind of was in stable coins, and I'm just chilling in stable coins right now, you know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it. I'm not really, you know, looking to do anything else. I'm just looking for opportunities right now to get into some new. And of course I got my long-term holds, and I'll make a video talking about those. But as you can see, Ethereum's price is 4,000 and it's predicted to go down, you know, to about 35.90. Binance is about 5. So everything is predicted to pretty much head. The market is predicted, I'm sorry, to pretty much head further down. And as you can see, it's the weekend, so that could happen Sunday and Monday and over the next week in general. So I mean, you really just never know, and it's really just interesting to just kind of see this all take place. And I'm hoping that it's going to be a really good, I know it's going to be a really good Christmas anyway, but it'll be a really good Christmas if the crypto markets are up. That'll be just a fantastic Christmas, especially for myself. But Christmas is already going to be excellent, you know, in my opinion, and for me, and I hope Christmas is going to be excellent for you as well. So I'll take a look at a few of these also, since we're making a video on the market. Before we get out of here, I'll make a video. I mean, I'll drop a few of these that I think that I might be looking to get into or add to some long-term bags. So Matic is one of those tokens that I might be looking to add to on this dip. As you can see, it hasn't really dipped too far, and then when we look at that 7-day price prediction, or it hasn't, I haven't looked at it on the 30-day or the 7-day to see how far it's actually dipped, but I think it's been one of the more stable coins as far as maintaining its price. And as you can see, the 7-day price prediction with the prediction that Bitcoin is heading to $40,000, they only predict that Matic will drop 2 more cents to about $2.12 instead of $2.14. So that's something that's very noteworthy. And so also one thing that you want to look at is crypto.com. This is one I might be looking to pick up as Bitcoin takes a further dip, and it dips down to, if this is correct, 43. This is not a prediction per se. This is all just based on this website here. Just we'll take a look at this. So below is a 7-day price prediction for each cryptocurrency listed. For each asset, we show the price that our machine learning process believes each asset will be traded at 7 days from today, along with the predicted increase or decrease. Now, you should also note these price predictions should not be taken as trading or investment advice. Investments and trading in crypto assets involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for every investor. Blah, 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 blah. Read this for yourself and always do your own research. It's pretty much what it's saying. You know, that's all we're saying. All it's saying is everybody's a big boy and a big girl, and nobody's responsible for you and your decisions. All right. Always do your own research, follow up with my information, and check out these things for yourself. And yeah. So those are two, crypto.com and Matic Polygon. Litecoin is another one, as you can see. I like the numerology here, the synchronicity 111. I'm definitely going to be looking to scoop up some Litecoin, as this is one that is normally used to when you make purchases with cryptocurrency. This is normally one of the options. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. And I don't want to make this video too long, but those are three. Let's see if I can give you guys two more. If Chainlink drops to $15, oh my gosh, I've been in Chainlink. You know what? But yeah, Chainlink is another one I'm going to be grabbing up more of. I mean, I just can't help it, you know, with the price dipping down, because that's where I originally bought in Chainlink at $30. Then everything dipped. This was in, I'll go over that in another video. Sorry about that. So let's see, what else? What else? Is there one more, or are we just sticking with those four? I think I'm gonna buy some Tezos as number 5. So those are the ones I'm looking at. So Tezos, XTZ, Litecoin, Crypto.com, Polygon. What was the other? Oh, and Chainlink. Those are my 5. There you guys have it. That's my mark. That's my view of the market. I mean, my view is that I'm not afraid. I mean, you know, I've lived through these dips before. I still have coins that I'm sitting on from the previous dip back in April. So it's not a huge deal. They still haven't recovered, and I'm not panicking. So it's really just about understanding how the market works and looking at this long term. And as you can see, you know, big things are happening for Bitcoin, and you know, it can only stay down for so long, you know. And also a lot of people are calling, you know, that it already double bottomed with this dip right here. I'm not sure what time frame that's on, but maybe we'll look at some technical analysis on Bitcoin, and I'll put that video in a different playlist. But that's it for this one, guys. It's the grand scheme of crypto. Don't forget to check out my Patreon, where if you, depending on which tier you select, you can get access to my Discord and my Telegram, where I just pretty much drop jewels that I find throughout my lurking on different channels like Twitter, like Instagram, like free Telegram chats that I find, and Reddit. I mean, the list goes on and on. I'm just very good and very resourceful as far as God putting information into my face, and I'm always doing my best to give you guys as the source of that information, so you guys can always do your own research and follow up with those accounts, or with those sometimes YouTube channels, so on and so forth. So my lowest tier is $4.44, so it's definitely affordable. It's cheaper than a Netflix membership. It's less than $5. Like, it's less than a lot of things. So it's the grand scheme of crypto. I'm out. Peace.